Hi everyone, I'm Brune Smith and this is my podcast. Hi everybody, welcome back to the podcast. So here's something interesting. I spent 3 hours writing a story that I wanted to share with you today about something really cool that helped me tremendously over the last few months, and only to realize that this story is not ready to be shared, at least in the way that I started writing it. There's this question of how much do I share, how much do I hold back, what belongs to this story, what is absolutely useful to know for this particular story, what is not. And now it's almost 11 p.m. and I am tired and I want to go to bed. But I thought I'd jump in and talk about that because it's a real part of the creative process of you set yourself a goal and you try your best, and sometimes the result is that it leads you somewhere else that might require more time. So I just wanted to jump in and mention that it is something that is very common when we think about a story that we want to share publicly, especially if there are difficult parts in it. So yes, that is my episode for today. It's just this question, I guess, of what is ready to be shared. So I hope this brought you something to think about. And please comment on Substack if you have anything to reply to that, if you relate to what I'm talking about, if you have a creative endeavor of your own. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.